Hello students, this is question number 7, and as I said you previously, it is almost similar to what question number 6 was. So let us start with the question. The question is AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint of D. So if P is the midpoint, AP will be equal to BP. So you can start writing given AP is equal to BP. D and E are points on the same side of AB such that BAD, also angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Angle BAD, this angle is equal to this angle ABE. Also, angle EPA is equal to angle DPB, which are marked as two curves. Those two angles are equal to each other. Now in this we need to first prove triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP, and second we have to prove AD is equal to BE. So let us start the proof. In triangle DAP and triangle EBP. Now let us draw these two triangles as separate diagrams. One is this and one is like this. APD and BPE. Now see, in this angle A is given equal to angle B. Here AP is equal to BP here. Now out of this again there is part like this. This angle is equal to this angle. So what we will do is, this is E and this is D. So what we'll do is we will add EPD angle to both of these angles. So the whole of this and whole of this become equal to E. So we'll write accordingly. In triangle DAP and triangle EBP, AP is equal to BP given. Angle PA, right here angle PAD is equal to angle PBE. Again it is given, this one. And third one, angle EPA plus angle EPD is equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. Therefore angle EPD plus BPA DPB and EPD plus APE. So APE plus EPD will give you angle APD is equal to angle BPE. Therefore by, so this is one angle, this is second angle, and this is the side side angle triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. Therefore by CPCT we can write AD is equal to BE. Hence proved. So this is about question number 7. Now let us move to question number 8.